Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to day 2 of camping.
Morning guys. Fortunately, I forgot all my clothes, so I'm gonna be wearing the same shirt. Awkward.
He forgot his shirts. Christopher has diarrhea.
Don't say that.
So I am actually headed down to the little lake that we were at yesterday that you guys probably already saw. I'm just waiting for Isabel to finish up getting ready, and we're gonna go check up on everyone else. So let's go. They going already? I think we all three just almost fell. Alright you guys, so we are at the lake and the kids are fishing. Parents are just chilling. Did you guys catch any?
There's a lot of crawfish. I just don't know how to catch them.
Emily, say hi. Nini.
There's a little baby fish. Did you see that?
Damn. Watch, look at.
We should skip rocks.
Did you see a crawfish?
Are you gonna catch a fish, baby?
Look at that crawfish.
What is it?
Right there, it's on the rock.
Look at that crawfish.
Oh yeah.
No, it moves fast and you see people.
I didn't get it on camera.
Oh man. Oh,
Oh, it's right there.
It's coming back.
It's hiding. Oh, sure. Is that a rock? It's on this.
Oh look at there it is. Oh yeah.
Emily.
You guys see that?
Yes, man.
The crawfish?
Caleb,
Yeah, it's a crawfish.
Caleb, what if we went to Florida and we saw the blue crawfish?
Oh,
that'd be cool.
The what?
The blue crawfish. Yeah, blue crawfishes are rare.
There.
Oh, look at that, it's climbing out.
They're only in Florida or what? Babe, there's one over here.
Got a whole bunch.
If you get it, I'll eat it.
Is he turned? Oh!
Keep going.
I got it, Dad. I got it, Dad. Swing it. Oh, it's going in.
Oh, I went in the water. Bebe, are you throwing rocks in the water?
It's me.
You can put good on it.
It's me. Mira, mami.
Hi, Bebe. Hi, Bebe. Ah, I love you.
Ya metió las manos.
¿Quién?
Esta ya las
¿Ya metió la mano?
Sí, mira.
Yes, Emily. Don't get your sister wet.
Oh my gosh, we got our first crawfish.
Hey, you can't take his shine.
I'm just kidding.
Look at that crawfish. Just hanging there.
I know, they don't know how to let go.
If you grab him by the tail, they could curl up, dude. You have to grab him by the back of the neck.
Oh, you grab it.
This is, I love eating crawfish.
You do?
Look at that crawfish. Whoa.
They won't come up. Watch, I'll get the rock.
You're gonna feast on some crawfish. A little chile.
See, Oog's first time fishing and first time crawfishing. Or first time camping and first time crawfishing. I think you guys probably caught all the ones over here.
Yeah, should we move to a different area?
Should we? Let's see.
I was about to catch it.
There's one right there, but I don't know if that's big enough.
They look friendly in the water, but now they look ugly.
I know, right?
Come on, crawfish. She caught one.
Emily did?
Oh, she caught one. She caught one.
Yay, Oog! That's a good size? Good job, Oog.
Thank you. Thanks to her too.
You said Emily. No, I said Isabel.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
We have that much? I did not know we had that much.
Hi, Bebe.
Gotta find an area where you can go.
Hey guys, so we were cruising and we found this little waterfall, and it's really pretty, so I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry for my ugly face, but I'm not putting makeup on this weekend, so you guys are gonna have to deal. Hi. Be careful.
That's so pretty.
Look at this little waterfall. Be careful, there's a ledge.
You're right.
We found this little trail. See where it takes us. Oh, so pretty.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. You've got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now, don't hold it in too long, 'cause you'll find you're missing out on life's short little song.
Alright guys, so we just came back and Edgar wanted me to film this. What happened?
A whole bunch of squirrels
Oh
jumped
my
out of the table.
Dang, they ate our bread. Look at that. That's funny. So the crawfish that we catched earlier, there's a pot boiling ready for them and we're gonna hear them burn.
Yeah, they're gonna scream.
All the kids are ready, right?
Yeah. We also have our phone.
Emily's over there, she doesn't care.
Go. The crawfish! The crawfish! The crawfish! Yeah. Crawfish. Are they screaming?
No.
Una para cada quien.
The one's already burnt.
They had no idea what was coming.
Who's ready to eat one?
No, me.
Me.
Nope.
I'm gonna try one.
Dang, they changed color fast.
Wait, what color?
They're already like pink.
Oh wow.
That's not what color they were, right?
The black.
Jeez, man.
Yes, crowded.
That shit on there.
Get home, there's gonna be things crawling on it.
I don't think you can tell that it's raining in the camera.
Trash is
On that tree.
You guys want a sneak peek of mine? That's what I have so far. That's what's there.
Look at babe. Look at the
Still
olive.
winning. I know, but you can't tell in the camera. You can probably hear it though. You haven't even been in the vlog that much.
I don't want to be in the vlog if this is the only shirt that I've had.
Where is he going?
well.
Yeah, I think I just put that 5 there with the one.
Well, do you guys mind? Do you guys mind if it stops real quick? Grab my tent, helping me throw it up real fast.
Yeah, we'll do it.
That'd take like 5-10 minutes.
It should pass.
No, Dad. No one wants to help you with the tent. Alright, you guys. So we just took a break from Domino's because you wanna come with me, Luke?
Sure. Come on, Kathy.
The boys are gonna help my dad set up his tent real quick because it's a little bit not raining, but they're gonna help him set up. Alright, you guys, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna go to the same lake that we were at before, but we're gonna walk a little bit further to see if we can catch some fish instead of crawfish. I got my dad.
Koozies unite.
Yeah, we got to walk where those people.
Science Center. I don't want the history museum. I want to go out in nature.
Want more?
All right, you guys, so it is what did I say, 7? It's a little after 7, and it's been raining for what, the last hour, huh? Probably. Yeah. It's been raining for like the last hour
Or 2.
so we are just sitting here. Me and Isabel are in the tent. I actually just pulled out my laptop. I'm probably gonna edit the video from yesterday that you guys just saw, and we can see the kids out there. So I'm going to close the vlog out here. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video.
Hi.